Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. And your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. My whole subscribers that were there from the beginning of the journey, big up on yourself, a resounding manners and respect again. My new subscribers, welcome to West Indian Delights, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you. Now today, we're gonna do for you. Some time ago, somebody requested this video. I think it was like a few months back. We're gonna show you how to cook up a piece of saltfish. Yeah, Jamaican cook up saltfish. Right here I have a piece of saltfish. It's not boneless. It has in bones. So what I had this soaking for about 5 hours. This is half a pound, and within that 5 hours I changed the water twice. So now I'm changing this one for the last. What we want to do, we're gonna change the water and we're gonna set it to scald. And you go Google what scalding is. You're gonna put enough water to cover this saltfish. You're gonna leave it. My water pressure is so low, family, really low. Today is Saturday and everybody is home and water is using all over, so it's really low. So you're gonna put a reasonable amount of water. Yes, just to cover, right in camera girl. You ain't gonna cover it. We're using the scalding process, so we want it to come to a boil, and as soon as it comes to a boil, within 45 minutes of it coming to a boil, we're gonna throw out this water. That's scalding. We're just gonna do it once because we had it soaking for a long time. It is only half a pound. If it was more, you'd have to probably do it about 2 to 3 times. But because we had it soaking and we changed the water within the hours 3 times, I threw out the last one, we're just gonna scald it 1 time. So scalding is you put it in cold water, not hot water. Leave it in, you start it off with cold water, let it stay there. And when it starts to boil within 45 minutes, you're gonna turn your flame off, throw out the water, cool it down with some other tap water, and then we start. So as soon as this is scalded off, we're gonna throw it out, clean off. We're gonna come back probably to show you how you clean it, pick it up. Right over here, we have some well-ripe tomatoes and we have some onions. So we're gonna show you how you put together. I'm not gonna use any sweet pepper. If you wanna use the bell pepper, just a small amount, because I don't want to use a lot of this bell pepper and stuff. I don't want to take for the place of the saltfish. You want a nice little cook up saltfish for your Sunday morning breakfast with some fried dumpling, some soft yam or some banana. So you don't want to put the whole pepper because bell pepper is very strong. It has a strong flavor. So you don't want to put no whole pepper thing on this thing here to take with the flavor. You want to get the little taste of the saltfish. You like to pick a taste of the saltfish with whatever you look up. Banana, you look at yam or something. So when we come back, man, you're going to see how we are going to fix up this thing. See? So now, fam, we have the water has boiled, started boiling, and within 45 minutes, we took 45 seconds, I'm sorry, we took it out, threw off the water, and we cool it down with a little tap water. Now, this is what we're going to do. We are going to proceed to clean off all of these. This is when you scald it. It lifts up the skin, makes it easy to take off or to remove, sorry. We are going to try to get out as much as these bones. If you are using boneless, you would not need to pick to debone. But I'm using bone in. So I'm going to go about now trying to take out. It's going to be hard, but most 99% of the bones. And when we return, we're going to show you what it looks like. We're going to have oil at off and we're going to have a tomato them and stuff, and I'm going to show you how to put a nice little cook up saltfish thing together. Okay? Okay, family, we have the saltfish all deboned and we want to have it at this size. We don't want it much finer. So we have our oil. Make your oil hot, reasonably hot. So we're going to scrape in there some roughly chopped scallion and some garlic. Yeah, and you're going to have that nice sticky there. You know why? You want to swirl it around into the oil. You want the garlic and the scallion to flavor the oil, but not to burn it. Because look here, this is where going to make everybody knows to move off now, you know, the scallion and the garlic in the oil. So now, we're going to put in the saltfish into that hot oil. And we're going to turn up back the flame because we want it on a high flame. Because we don't want the thing get burned, you know, the scallion and the garlic, because they will burn easily, you know. So you're going to swirl them off inside here, so. And we are going to swirl them off till it continuously stirring till the saltfish take a little brown color, Alright. Right in camera, girl. Now the saltfish, you can see it take a little brownish color. Look at it. It's getting a little brownish color. Still on the high heat, we're going to dump in a good amount of tomato. Yeah. High heat still, and you're going to start to work around the tomato them inside. Wow. Look at it, y'all. Yo, the saltfish. Turn up. Cook up saltfish. Sparrow told you about it. Look at it. Still on the high heat. Look at the color that the tomato start to give the oil. Yes, man. So you cook up saltfish, sir. So that is happening on the high heat. You want to put about a teaspoon of apple cider. If you have the white one, you can put a tablespoon, because you know the apple cider is stronger than the regular white one. High heat still. We're going to dump in some whole heap of onion rings in this baby here. Yes, sir. Man, I want your comment below if you ever see saltfish, cook up saltfish look so pretty yet. Man, we're gonna lower our flame down to almost low. Not fully low, but almost low. One thing, I'm not using Scotch bonnet because I'm preparing it and camera girl is gonna have and she can't manage it. We're gonna put in a generous amount of black pepper. You know, I don't use a lot of black pepper, but there are certain dishes. So, I put it in. No, sir. Flame down. Right? No water in this thing on a low flame. Almost next to low. So, when we come back now, we're going to cover this thing here. Look at this. We're going to cover it for about 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. So when you come back, all the onions will be properly rested. Them are going to just get saturated in that little something and the saltfish something. When we come back, you're going to see how this here Jamaican cook up saltfish look, Yeah, man, shoot them up, camera girl. We still left on the almost the low flame. Yes, sir? You're going to go in that pot here now. Man, shoot them up, camera girl. Shoot them up. Shoot them up. Look at this, y'all. Who did ever tell you, say, cook up saltfish could have looked so pretty? We're ready. Here, we're ready. Ready. Look at it. Look at it, y'all. Tomato them cook. All of the pecking, everything. Onion rings, all. What you call it, they know. All the onion rings, them just get all. Them, you know, want them too crunchy, you know. I'm looking for a word, but I can't remember. Hello. We're going to plate. We are going to plate. Your husband ever tell you, say, look here. I feel for some nice Jamaican cook up saltfish in a babes. And some fried dumpling in a Sunday morning for my breakfast. If your husband ever said that to you, please comment. Say, look here. You know, say when I did that Jamaica, my mother, we used to cook up saltfish, you know. And fried dumpling. Or cooked dumpling and them salt or something. And you know, so me just feel fit, babes. This is it, y'all. This is it. You get it now. You have gotten it. There you have it. Yes, man. Look here. Don't mind the oil. You can eat around it. It will come with the oil in it. So what you need to do is use a healthy oil. This is how it comes. You don't have to eat over, but it comes. The oil is to keep it. Eh? The little salt. Yeah, I want to know. Alright, hello. From my kitchen to yours, to your plate, to your family table, it's Jamaican hookup saltfish. Okay, y'all enjoy. Alright, hello. Have piece of rent I am here. You know how me put it on here? Now go take a little type of a little left knife pot. Much. But that is for you all. Enjoy. Hey, sir. No, sir. Aye, it's a Jamaican kitchen. This, you see? You have to hear the spoon looking against Jesse. That is all. If you're not, if these things not happening in the kitchen, it's not a Jamaican kitchen. Hey, I rent this, you know. So what, see? Right in camera, girl. Man. Papa Jesus. Hey. I know y'all, some of you, your mouth are watering. Just look at it. Pretend. Hey, renter yam. The video for the renter yam, how you cook the renter yam, will be right behind this cook up saltfish. Yeah. There you have it. Aye. Hello. This is a Jamaican thing, you know. Aye. We don't have no problem because you know me have to eat. I don't love the eating. That's how we live in. That's how we do it here, honey. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I said before, if you have your Jamaican husband and you hear him keep saying, you know, babes, when we did that Jamaica, we used to cook up saltfish. I long for eat like this, man. I cook up saltfish. Now, let me tell you something, man. The fried dumpling video is on the channel. This with fried dumpling. Mwah! Any other wild bananas, you name it. So if you have liked it, give it a thumbs up. Continue to subscribe. Leave your comments below. And remember, share, like. And we're going to leave for now. But remember, Debbie from Donga Yard, enjoy once more. Bless, no stress.